Hello, my name is Tiara Watson, and I will be talking about immunoprecipitation and immunoblotting. Background information. Immunoprecipitation. It is a method that isolates a protein or protein complex. There are three main steps: incubation of the biosample, separation of the protein complex from the sample, and analysis. Immunoblotting, which is also known as Western blotting. It is a method that transfers protein patterns from a gel to a microporous membrane. It can also be used to analyze or identify proteins in a mixture. What are these techniques used for? Immunoprecipitation. It is used for the isolation/detection of proteins of interest in a study. To study protein complexes and interactions, the identification of an unknown protein within a complex, and the verification of protein expression in tissues. Immunoblotting. It is used for the immunodetection of proteins post-electrophoresis, especially proteins in low abundance. It is also used for the detection of antigens. Research application. The figure shown is from a study that was looking at the quantification of individual insulin receptor/IGFI receptor hybrids. What is shown in the figure is measurements of IR/IGFR hybrids. Section A was developed using IR.CT antiserum, and Section B using IGFR.CT antiserum. Lines 1 through 4 in Section A show the precipitation of both IR and IGFR specific receptors. Line 9 in Section A shows a diffuse component of anti-IR antiserum of 96 kDa. Lines 5 through 6 in Section A show well-defined component of slightly greater electrophoretic mobility. In Section B, line 9, it shows the detection of two diffuse components of similar intensities in the placental extract of 97 and 93 kDa. In lines 5 through 8 in Section B, it shows well-defined component in supernate from the anti-IGFR precipitation of 93 kDa. Weaknesses of this technique in relation to the study was it was unable to draw a definitive conclusion in regards to hybrid assembly from receptor levels. Strength. In relation to the studies, the techniques were able to show the production of these hybrid receptors. Question. After looking at the figures and graphs of the study, exactly why were lanes 5 and 6 in Section A and lanes 5 through 8 in Section B were the most defined within the gel? Considering that the rest of the lines were blurry and spread out within the gel and did not show a definite line. These are my references. Thank you for watching.